Morning student, welcome back to Math for class 12. Today's exercise 13.3 by Bayes theorem. So Bayes theorem is a total probability by the multiplication probability. Okay, total probability P of A is the event. Okay, so then P of A equal to probability of A intersection E1 plus probability of A intersection E2, probability of so on, probability of A intersection En, right? So then summation I equal to 1 to n probability of A intersection Ei, right? This is a probability of total. And Bayes theorem, probability of the outcome event, that is probability of Ei oblique A, opposite of a conditional probability A by E. Okay, same a conditional probability. This equal to this Ia, probability of I and probability of Ai A by I upon summation of probability j equal to 1 to n, probability of A intersection, probability of A intersection Ej. Okay, right. This is a formula of Bayes theorem. Now let question number 1. An urn contain a 5 red and total ball, 5 red ball plus 5 black ball, total 10 ball. As a ball is drawn at random, its color is noted and our return to urn. And moreover, the 2 add ball, first condition is given, so then even with the probability of red ball, then probability of red ball equal to red 5 upon total 10, this equal to 1 by 2. Probability of E2 is probability of black ball. Okay, this probability equal to, this is also 5 by 10, this is equal to 1 by 2. And condition, according to question, 2 ball add, 2 balls added, और both कैसे हैं red, both ball is red, तो total equal to 12 and 12, so red ball probability of A by E1 means probability of red ball in 12, second condition after add of 2 ball, so then equal to total ball 5 plus 2 red ball upon total 12, that is 7 upon 12. And probability of A by E2, probability of A by E2, the total 12, 5 is black, so 5 upon 12. Okay, this is what the total probability by the total probability equal to red black, this probability of E1 and probability of A by E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A by E2, so on, this type formula. So must equal to E by 1 upon 2, A by E1 7 by 12 plus this is 1 by 2 and this by 5 by 12, this equal to 12 LCM, sorry 24 is LCM, 7 plus 5, 12 by 24 equal to 1 upon 2, that your answer. Okay, this 1 by 2. Next, now let question number 2. Question number 2, and same you can read of the question number 2 and then after solve it. Bag contain 2 bag, first bag and second bag. First bag have 4 red plus 4 black, and this bag have 2 red and 6 black. So total bag 2. So probability of bag first, that is P of E1, equal to total bag, first bag only 1, so 1 total bag 2, and same probability of second bag E2. One bag की probability 1 by 2, और second probability 1 by 2. So 2 bag is given, so 1 bag is selected. 1 bag selected, that is probability of this. Condition and probability of A by E1 of red ball. Of red ball selected from 1. Red ball selected from bag first. So there A by E1 4 by total 8. This is equal to 1 upon 2. And probability of A by E2, this probability selected ball red ball from second bag. This equal to second ball red 2 upon total 6 plus 2. This is also 8. So this is 1 by 4 by Bayes theorem. Probability of red ball drawn from the first bag ball is drawn from probability. Find the probability that ball is drawn from first bag. So first bag is E, first bag E1 और second bag also तो E2 आता है, ठीक है. तो E1 by A, this is a probability of by Bayes theorem, equal to and opposite E1 multiply probability of A by E1, not E1 by A1, right? You see the points. Probability of E1, probability of A by E1 plus probability of E2, probability of A by E2. A by E1. And putting this value probability 1 by 2 and A by E1, this is also 1 by 2, and 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 same value. Okay, this value are different. So 1 upon 2 that probability into this different 1 by 4 is 1 by 4 upon 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 is equal to 2 by 8 change in 4 8, 2 plus 1 upon 8, 8 cut, so then 2 by 3, that your answer. Okay, next question number 7. A insurance company of scooter, total scooter plus car plus truck drivers equal to 2000 and 4000 plus 6000, total 12,000. Okay, probability of scooter, that is E1 scooter, (2000) upon 12,000 equal to 1 by 6. Probability of E2 car drivers, so this 4,000 upon 12,000, 1/3, and this probability of E3 means truck drivers, 6,000 upon 12,000, 1/2. Now condition are changed. Probability of A by E1 is given 0.01 and probability of A by E2 car driver 0.03 and probability of A by E3 equal to 0.15. Here given any questions differently. One of the insured person is meet of the accident and period of the scooter driver selected or scooter driver. So by Bayes theorem, probability of E1 by A scooter, probability of E1, probability of A by E1 upon probability of E1 into probability of A by E1 plus probability of E2 A by E2 plus probability of E3 probability of A by E3. This putting A by E1 E1 1 by 6 and A by E2 0.01 and this 1 by 6 into 0.01 plus this second 1 upon 3 into this probability 0.03 plus 1 upon this 1 upon 2 into this probability 0.15 and this at 0.01 upon 6 upon this 6 is this is also 6 LCM 0.01 plus 3 2s are 2 0.06 plus 2 3s are 3 15 4s are 4 5 0.45 and this must be equal to okay 0.01 upon 6 upon 0.5561 7 7 12 1 5 4 or 1 5 upon 6 0.66 cut 0.01 upon 0.52 is equal to 1 upon 52. That's your answer. Okay, and next question number next question number 10 and 12 also, and next question number 12. 10 are simple, you can solve also, right? Okay, question number 12, important question. A card is shown from the 52 card. Total cards equal to 52 and one card is lost. One card is lost. Okay, और वो भी लॉस्ट है, डायमंड का है या नहीं है वो देखना है. ओके, टोटल कार्ड is 52. A card total diamond according to question, you can read question. Diamond another, okay, so diamond equal to 13. So probability this event even and other card equal to 52 minus 13 equal to 39. This is a E2. So probability of E1 equal to 13 upon 52 equal to 1 by 4 and then E1 and E2 equal to 39 by 52, that is 3 by 4. Yeah, and according to question, probability of A by E2, probability of A by E1, sorry, first E1. Diamond, one card lost, one card lost. So one card lost of diamond. So they can total 12. So this condition is a combinational condition. Combination condition 12C2. The 12 cards selected 2 out of 51. So 12, 52 minus 1, 1 is lost. That is 51. 51 selected 2. This must be equal to factorial to 12 upon 2 upon factorial 51 upon factorial 12 minus 10 or 2 and factorial 51 minus 2. This must be equal to 12 into 11 upon factorial to 2. Okay, 10 cancel, or this is equal to 51 into 50 upon 2 into this already cancel. So this 25 or this 6, 66 upon 51 into 25. Okay, and then probability of A by E2. This must be one card diamond removed. one card lost of diamond, one card lost of other, then diamond equal to 30 out of 51. One card is lost, the total 51, so that is 13C2 upon 51C2. Yeah, this is right combination. Factorial 13 upon factorial 2 factorial 13 minus 2. You right? Yeah, guys, you can factorial this or this symbols you can use upon factorial 51 factorial 2 factorial 51 minus 2. This is a 13 into 12 upon this cancel and 2 upon this same value 51 into 25. Solving this above question. So E of A by E2 equal to this 678 upon 51 into 25 by solve by Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem. This is important question, okay, for 6 marks. So by Bayes theorem, find the probability loss of a diamond. Diamond means E1 by A equal to probability of E1, probability of A by E1 upon probability of E1, probability of A by E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A by E2. Yeah, use this. So putting the value E1, probability of E1 1 by 4 into A by E1, first condition 66 upon 51 into 25 upon 1 by 4 into 66 upon 51 25 plus this value 3 by 4 or multiply 78 upon 51 into 25. Value same, LCM same, 66 upon 4 into 51 into 25 upon this LCM same 4 into 51 into 25, right? This 66 plus 3 8s are 24 or 3 7s are 21 or 2 23. This value cut, this 66 upon 6 4 10 3 6 9 or 1 0 or this 3 and divide, and this is also divide, okay. This 66 upon 300 and 6 6 is 6 1 is 6 6 1 is 6 6 5 is 0, this 11 by 50. That's your answer. Complete your exercise and miscellaneous question number homework. Miscellaneous question number 1 2 and 3 only solve, only other are deleted. So exercise 13.4 13.5 and miscellaneous are deleted, okay. Complete and send to individually. Thank you.